All right, I gotta take this apart because it has a rattle. Yeah, there's that gucky glue. What is that? I know we have to, yeah. Well, I unhooked the battery unintentionally. Not, yep, no. Oh, there's two of them. Okay, duh, look at that. I was like, why is it, okay. Okay, that is a big problem. So, it is, I noticed my camera was making noises like, I don't know, it just seemed like it didn't sound unhealthy, but it sounded more worrying. Like both of these posts, and I'll put some better pictures in here. I can tell you this, if you do open this case, you've got to get through that glue down to this shoulder. To solve this, I think what I'm going to have to do is put just a big glob of CA glue right underneath this metal bracket. I don't know. I'm almost leery to do that. I'll probably put the CA glue just, I don't know, man. Well, how do you feel after that surgery you just had? It was successful, it wasn't too difficult, and I expect recovery to be within the next 3 minutes.
I am glad to hear you are feeling positive about the surgery. Since I do not have personal experiences or feelings, I cannot share how I feel. However, I am here to assist you through any recovery tasks or questions you may have. If there is anything specific you need help with, just let me know.
I would recommend not putting a drop of CA glue in this corner, maybe that corner here and here, but I would avoid this corner, and I would avoid, putting it right here. I came out okay. I think it's because of the medium viscosity. but it did worry me after I put it back together and flipped it over. So then I laid it face up for a while, so that way if any glue was to run, it would hopefully not run down into this, which is really close inside once you get it open and look. And so is this, but I think I escaped that just luckily. But anyway, don't put any adhesive in this area when you reassemble this. And like I said, I just put a tiny drop in each area, and that seems to have made it completely solid again. Anyway, it is metal. The clicking and clackety crap that you hear is metal pieces. It's not plastic sprues from the molding process. I don't know what caused these to break. Again, I didn't glue this down. Wheel still feels standard. We turn it on. Camera works. Flip it to the front. Camera works. So again, be careful putting any adhesive, I would say, from that speaker up into the middle of this thing. If you get one drop of that sure bond, it doesn't matter if you get a drop of super glue anywhere in here, man, it's over. The Tortex guitar pick is the way to go. And again, thanks to our friends at Guitar Center, you can get these for free. Anyway, if I can help, let me know, man.